Hi everybody, today I want to show you this new pepper spray that I just got. It comes in this little container. You can get additional pepper spray to add to it, and come over here and I'll show you. You can open it up right there and you can change the spray or refill it. Comes with a little block right here, a protector, so you can just open it up, and this is what will let you squeeze it. And then also comes with like sound and the lights, and you can use it all at once. You can either use the lights, the sound, or the spray. And just to give you an idea, again, you lift it over here, you can turn it on, and again the light and the spray. And now I like it a lot because, again, I give it to my wife, to my daughter, even to for myself, to, you know, if an animal is coming by or someone is coming by, you can just put the noise, the lights, and the spray. You know, I sprayed it, and now I have it in here. It's really strong. So, and very good. Hope you guys like it. Hope you find it as useful and as safe as I am.